I built a real-time voice agent in under 10 minutes. Here is exactly how I did it. No massive cloud bills, no weeks of debugging WebRTC, just 3 tools. Fish Audio for the voice, LiveKit for the transport, and Python to tie everything together. Let me break it down. Voice agents are exploding right now. Every startup wants one, every SaaS platform is adding voice, but most developers think it takes weeks to build. It does not. You need 3 things: a text-to-speech engine that sounds human, a WebRTC transport layer for real-time audio, and a simple Python script to handle the logic. Fish Audio is the TTS engine. Their S2.1 Pro model passes the audio Turing test. Listeners cannot tell the difference from a real human. The blind test score was 0.515. That means it is effectively indistinguishable, and it costs $15 per million characters. That is absurdly cheap. LiveKit handles the real-time transport. It is an open-source WebRTC platform. It manages audio streaming, it handles interruptions, it deals with network jitter, all the hard stuff you do not want to build yourself. Python is the glue. A simple script that receives user speech, sends it to Fish Audio for TTS, streams the audio back through LiveKit. That is it. Here is the architecture. The user speaks into their browser, LiveKit captures the microphone audio, your Python agent receives that audio stream. It processes the speech, maybe runs it through a language model for a response. Then it calls Fish Audio to generate the voice reply. The TTS audio streams back through LiveKit. The user hears the response, all in under a second. That sub-second latency is the secret. If there is a delay, the conversation feels robotic. But when the response comes back fast, it feels like talking to a person. Let me show you the actual code. First, you install the Python SDKs. Fish Audio has an official one. LiveKit has an official one too. 2 lines in your terminal. That is it. Second, you get your API keys. Fish Audio key from their dashboard, LiveKit key from your project settings. Both are free to start. No credit card needed for the Fish Audio free tier. Third, you write the agent script. It is about 50 lines of Python. The LiveKit agent connects to a room. It listens for the user to start speaking. When the user finishes, it takes their transcribed text. It generates a response, maybe with GPT or Claude or any model. Then it calls Fish Audio TTS. The Fish Audio call is literally one function. You pass the text. You get back audio bytes. That audio goes straight into the LiveKit output stream. The user hears it. The whole loop takes a few hundred milliseconds. Here is what makes Fish Audio special for this. Their streaming TTS has sub-second first byte latency. The voice starts speaking before the full audio is generated. That is critical for real-time conversations. You do not want the user waiting 3 seconds for a reply. Their voice library is massive. Hundreds of voices, natural and expressive. Emotion tags like chuckle and emphasis are built right into the text. You just add brackets in your prompt and the voice delivers it. And the cost is unbeatable. $15 per million characters. That is about $1 for an hour of continuous conversation. Compare that to hiring voice actors or running your own TTS server. Now let me address the LiveKit part. LiveKit provides a ready-made React component for the voice interface. You drop it into your front end. It handles the microphone. It shows when the agent is speaking. It manages the connection state. 30 lines of front-end code. That is it. The back-end agent uses LiveKit's Python worker framework. It defines entry points. It handles the audio pipeline. All the WebRTC complexity is abstracted away. You write Python. LiveKit handles the rest. Here is a pro tip most people miss. Use Fish Audio's direction tags in your agent prompts. Things like warm tone, near whisper for intimate moments, reassuring for support conversations, confident for sales. These tags make the voice agent feel like a real person, not a robot reading text. 15,000 direction tags are available. You just put them inline in your text. The TTS model understands them natively. Now let me talk about why this matters. The voice agent market is going to be huge. Every business will have one. Customer support, sales calls, appointment booking, therapy, language tutoring. The use cases are endless, and right now is the best time to get in. The tools are mature, the APIs are simple, the costs are low. You can build a production-ready voice agent in a single afternoon. Fish Audio gives you 8,000 free credits when you sign up. That is enough to prototype and test. You do not pay anything until you are ready to scale. LiveKit has a generous free tier too, 50 gigs of data transfer, enough for development and small production loads. Here is what I want you to do. Go to fish.audio, sign up for a free account, get your API key, install the Python SDK, clone the LiveKit voice agent example, replace the TTS provider with Fish Audio. You will have a working voice agent in 10 minutes. I mean it.